Yeah, swag of mine, think about it. 716, stand up. Alright. Two niggas that grew up in the same hood, grinding hard, making money, trying to live good. There's bills to pay and the rent is due, so it's out to the block, gotta make these moves. Keep a knot in my sock and a band in my hand. These haters showing love, got me feeling like I'm the man. I'm headed to the top, so I know that you understand. You try to be like me, but you know you can't. Don't be a player hater, I'm busy getting paper. Time is money and I won't wait a day later. But Franklin is my best friend, all I get is Benjamins. Double it up, that's Franklin twins. We out here grinding, trying to get rich all night. Niggas putting in a double shift. Some gotta pay the rent and some gotta feed the kids. No matter what you doing, tell them all to fuck off. Yeah, GMG Productions, nigga. Swag of mine. Give y'all niggas a little free verse. Ha!